Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. Today I want to talk about the market. You know, the market's kind of boring right now, and a lot of people are looking at different things in order to try to, excite themselves with investing. And this could be a very dangerous time because you get it, putting some money into some projects that you normally wouldn't. So I came across a couple of articles about this pre-sale project called INCUBETA, and selling point is to get in pre-sale before their ICO, and you can make a lot of gains when they finally go public. So I did a little bit of research on this project to see if it was worth investment or not. Possible claim of 300x and all of that. So I did that, and I'm gonna walk you through what I saw and my final decision on INCUBETA. So if that's something that interests you, stay tuned till the end of the video and let me know your thoughts in the comments. So let's take a look at this INCUBETA. But before we do that, I want to take a look at the markets like we always do on this channel. So if we look at the heat map, currently BTC is sitting at, let's see here, 26K. So not too bad. I mean, it is what it is. We're not in the 25,000, so that's good. ETH's been holding steady. I'm telling you, ETH is a monster, man. It rarely takes a heavy dump. It's looked like BTC's taking more of a dump than ETH ever has. ETH's been trading normally around that 1600 to 1800, no matter about the big dips or anything like that. So I like ETH a lot. Sol's in the green. Everything pretty much is in the green. Sheeb's a little bit red. I guess they took a little cool off from the Shibarium. Polkadot's also in the red. XRP. So that's what's going on there with the market. Basically, it's trading sideways. So that's good. At least things aren't deep red. Looking at the market sentiment currently, we're at 38. So still in fear. As long-term investors and DCAers, I would say fear is the best time to invest in the projects that you like. Increase your bags. Right now is the best time to do it. While everyone's scared and the prices are low, best price. You're getting very, very deep discounts right now on your favorite projects. So with me, I welcome fear. So yesterday we were at 38. Today we're at 38. Last week we were at 37. So still fear. So hopefully the market turns around. And also, investment wise, around August, September, the markets don't do pretty well. They don't do well anyway. I'm talking about commodity stocks as well as crypto. A lot of investors are, away on vacation, family vacations, just not interested in trading at this time. So I would say around October, November, things should start heating up again. So right now, take advantage of the sales. Looking at CoinMarketCap here, we see that the global crypto market's at 1.5 trillion. So uptick of almost 0.5%, or 50. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, 48.3, and ETH at 18.9. So that's good. And if we look at Bitcoin, we talked about 26. ETH, let's take a look at Cardano, 26 cents. Dogecoin, 6 cents. Solana, 20 bucks. Polygon, 55 cents. Avalanche, $10. I'm just going over the ones that I like. Chainlink, 6. Yeah, that's about it. So overall, the market is pretty much giving you some gifts right now. Good prices, near at $1. Very, very good price. So yeah. Now let's get into this video. The reason you guys all checked in is for INCUBETA. So I saw this. I was like, this seems very interesting. Pre-sale. Normally, we don't get opportunities to get in pre-sale. I mean, that's saved for investors and the like. For us common folk, this is a gift, right? So then I went to the website, took a look and see what they got, and it says pre-sale live now. Invest, engage, reward, innovate, and use promo stage 3 to get 10% bonus. That was my first red flag when I saw that. And then it shows you the current price of the Cube token, which is basically used for governance. And you see that price right there in USDT. Then they go on to tell you how many tokens they've sold and all of that. And there you go. So what is this INCUBETA? So according to the white paper, it says INCUBETA is a deflationary ERC20 token. So it's built on ETH. And it's basically a platform that aims to revolutionize the way AI startups raise funds and engage with their community. So basically, it's a way for us as crypto investors to invest, and you could invest as small as $50 into this. And it's a crowdfunding platform where all your funds are put together and then fractionalized into an NFT, and you can own a piece of these startup companies. And that's the base. That's my understanding of it. And I'm going to show you later on in this video how they make that happen. And so you can invest in these startup AIs, and it helps the startup companies as well, because now they don't have to, plead their case and meet all these checklists for investors or, VCs to invest in their company. They can get it through this crowdfunding source. So it's an interesting concept. So basically it goes on to say that with each investment opportunity minted into an NFT and fractionalized, you'll be able to invest in a way that suits your budget, all while enjoying the benefits of being an early backer. INCUBETA NFT's marketplace allows AI startups to raise funds and offer reward and equity-based NFTs, while Cube token holders can easily invest in projects they believe in, creating a unique ecosystem that benefits both parties. Cube tokens are unique investment opportunities for the community of supporters of passionate about growth and success of AI technology startups. Now, this is also deflationary. And they go on to break it down as the token is deflationary with a 2% tax on all buy and sales going to a burn wallet, which helps increase the token's value over time. Additionally, Cube has a 5% sales tax that goes to a dedicated reward pool, allowing investors to earn rewards by staking their tokens. They believe that it's the intersection of AI technology and crypto presents a unique opportunity for growth and innovation. However, we recognize that traditional investment methods can be inefficient and inaccessible to many. That's why we created the Cube token and INCUBETA's NFT marketplace. So basically, by leveraging the power of blockchain and smart contracts, INCUBETA is creating more transparent, secure, and democratic investment ecosystem that empowers the growth and success of AI technology startup companies. Sounds wonderful. So we take a look at the investors, well, not investors, but the people behind this incubator project. That's a big key for me. I want to see, what's their background? Have they been doing this for a while? What they know about blockchain? And if they just overall successful background in starting companies, and hence no rug pulls. So then looking at their website, this is right on their website, that they're backed by Dexola, which is a blockchain company. It's a software development company with a strong experience in the blockchain industry that creates, high products for top 3 Web3 startups. So then I went to the LinkedIn page of Dexola, and I saw that they're based in Nashville, interestingly enough, and they have 131 followers with 23 employees. 131 followers and 23 employees. Okay. Going down here, what's on their page? Let's take a look and see what we get. This is basically talking about blockchain, company size, 2 locations. Looks like one's in the U.S. And then the other one's in Kyiv. So now let's take a look at the other, let's see, on their website, Dexola, what it says. It says that they have 30 plus developers, 40 plus projects, 5 years of excellence, and 80 plus development and design professionals in Trinitex. So 5 years, and they only have 100 and something followers, 23 employees. They say that they're autonomous blockchain software development branch of Trinitex, a globally trusted digital partner serving enterprise clients. Dexola focuses on startups and helps them build their blockchains and ecosystem applications by providing the same level of consultation and delivery services that enterprise clients are used to. Now, I've been in crypto space for maybe 2 years now. I have never heard of Dexola. And according to the LinkedIn page, not that many people have heard of them as well. Hey, they could be a thriving company doing big things, but I've just never heard of them before. So their other partner on their website, his name is Burak Basara, and he's from Sweden. So it's interesting that, on the LinkedIn page for that other company, it was saying that they were in Kyiv and then Nashville, and this managing partner is in Sweden. I mean, with the internet, everything is possible. We don't all have to be at the same location, but I find that interesting. He has 500 plus connections, and he has about, let's see here, 10,000 followers. And basically, you look at his hashtags, he's in startups, e-commerce, business development, and management consultants. And then let's take a look at what he's done in the past here. His experience, he was the head of Turkish market for 3S Money, board member, head of expansion for Kiliaro in Sweden for, let's see, from December 2021 until now. Then he business development manager from September, so about 2 years, something in Australia. He was doing that. Education, Master of Arts in Philosophy, Istanbul University, Bachelor of Art Philosophy. And so you have it. So that's what we got as far as leadership goes with this company. Now let's take a look at their Twitter. They have about 32,000 followers. So not bad for something that's not even, they don't even have a coin yet. And, again, bridging the gap between AI and crypto with INCUBETA, the world's first crypto crowdfunding platform for investment AI startups. So they're riding the AI wave. Right now we saw NVIDIA's killing it right now with those chips that's needed for AI. And right now AI is hot. But what happens if AI is not hot anymore? These are things that I'm thinking about while I'm looking at this project. It's all the rage right now, but what if it's not hot? Remember Metaverse, that was hot. Now it's not hot anymore. NFTs were hot. Now it's not hot anymore. We'll see. No doubt AI is going to be the future. I don't doubt that. It has a lot of positives and negatives, but more positives right now that I can see. Looking at Discord, they have about 7,200 members, which is low. But again, it's a startup. We'll see what happens. If it catches on, that number can increase. Looking at the Discord page, there's some comments in there, but nothing earth-shattering. So on their Twitter page, it says that they've been recognized on 4 new ICO websites. Coinboom.net, mycoinvoice.com, CoinDiscovery, rugfreecoins.com, blah, blah, blah. So that's interesting. I mean, that. And then again, I've seen them on Cointelegraph, other different crypto publications. I've seen articles about them, how investors are curious into it and putting some money into this project. And that could be marketing too. These marketers, every company, they have them and they can pay to have articles written about them and all of that. So that doesn't necessarily mean that it's a legit project. But again, it's interesting to note that they are recognized and crypto projects are talking about them, especially at a time now where everyone is kind of sleepy and, we're kind of like in the bear market, starting the bull. So right now they're getting some exposure. So on their website here, it says they have an NFT marketplace. Again, that's how, you can get the coins, and that's how you can be part of the company that you're investing in. They also have staking, which we talked about. That's, basically the taxes are sent to a burn wallet. Then the governance, the Cube token is used for governance and decision-making process. Also, you have the ability to discuss, propose, and vote on various aspects related to the platform's development. So basically, let's see how it works. This is according to their website. So how it works is you see a company. This example is Quantech. And then here you look at this. It says the amount of money that Quantech, the company, is looking to raise, and then the valuation. I don't know where they get this information from because I don't see that they're affiliated with Chainlink. Then the fraction, the amount of NFTs available to purchase. So how much you want to put into it, how much is available. The number of Cube holders who have purchased the NFTs. So that's good. You see all of that. And then price per fraction. This is the price per NFT and USD. So it breaks it all down for you. So that's good. At least you can see. You're not blindly just giving, $50 or whatever it is into the project, and you don't know what account, what company you're investing in. You don't see how many people are invested in that company. So that at least you can see the stats. And basically, you could pick the company that you're interested in. So if you're interested in that, you can go on incubeta.io or .ai rather, to take a look more about this project if you're interested. So now this is all on their white paper. You see that the total supply, we're looking at their tokenomics, is 1.5 billion. Pre-sale, they're looking to get about 975 million. They want to have that in pre-sale tokens. The expected launch price should be around 3 cents. Again, we talked about it's the ERC20 token. The initial pre-sale price is that right there. And then this is the breakdown. Public sale, we talked about 975 million. So 65% of the supply is going to be in this pre-sale that they're offering now. Marketing, 5%. Legal and advisors get 5%. Development team get 15%. And then LP plus exchange listing and reward pool, that's the number there. So that's tokenomics for you for this token. Then they have something called an INCUBETA swap. So it's, you can see last modified was 5 months ago. Maybe they're focused on pre-sale right now, and eventually they'll get to this and making this operational. But that's what you got there. And then their roadmap. So roadmap, you could take a look at the white page if you're interested in that. I'll have a link of it in this video if you're interested to see what's going on. But basically, you know, stage 2 beta stake DApp, phase 2 marketing campaign. Stage 3 is the launch of the staking DApp, which is interesting. They do offer some staking. iOS and Android app development, and then partnerships, stage 3. Then you got stage 4, which is the CoinMarketCap listing, and then they're on CoinGecko. Then they're going to launch that INCUBETA swap that we just talked about that wasn't worked on for the past 5 months. Then stage 5 is when they launch the INCUBETA DAO, cross-chain expansion, further partnerships, INCUBETA Academy, first networking events, and more partnerships announced. And this was as of 1 month ago is when that was updated. So I'm going to leave with this. Then I saw INCUBETA.com, and it's very, very similar. And this is a legit, this is not AI, and this is not in crypto, but it's just interesting how they have the same name. So if you look at INCUBETA.ai, the font's a little bit different with the I and the C. And maybe that's how they differentiate themselves. But I mean, looking at this, this is a legit company. And here, this company says, we commit our head, heart, and soul to help companies reach their growth potential. Sound interesting or similar? Creative, collaborative, and committed. We believe in the power of digital to unlock and amplify business growth potential. We're delivering that growth today and every day through creativity, collaboration, and sheer determination. So that's interesting. And this company is actually backed by some big boys: Google, Netflix, you see it, HBO, Hotels.com, and DraftKings. So I don't know. I don't know. For me, there's just too much going on with this project. My antennas are up. Typically, when your antennas are up and you have a bad feeling about something, you know, I just go with that. I just think there are too many good projects out there right now at discount prices that I can invest in. When the market turns around, that I can, you know, maybe offload some of those bags and make some good gains. There's no need for me to play around with these type of projects, especially if I don't have a good feeling about it. So guys, let me know what you think of INCUBETA. If you think this is a good opportunity for us everyday investors to get in pre-sale like the big dogs do, or if you think this is not safe and possibly rug pull. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Until next time, talk to you later. Bye.